What is going on, guys? On today's episode, I'm going to show you how to take the headlight of a Porsche Cayenne from this to this. If you want to see that transformation, be sure to hit that subscribe button, like the video, and stay along for the full install. What's up, guys? This episode is a little bit different. We are taking a quick break from the Jeeps. As you know, on Garage Couple, we have 4 Jeep Wranglers, but I actually went out and bought Arlene one of these Cayenne. This is a 958 Cayenne S. And it is such a different drive and feel compared to the Wranglers. I just wanted Arlene to have something a little more comfortable. Now, the only thing is, before I give this over to her, I want to change out these headlights. These are pretty decent bi-xenon headlights with the quartering function. However, they are not like the LED matrix headlights that come on some of the newer Cayennes. And I just want to make sure she has the coolest looking Cayenne on the block. So that is why I got these headlights from SLG Auto, and today I'm going to show you how to quickly install them, as long as, you know, Mother Nature permits. So why don't we get right into it? So to get this job done, you are going to just need a couple pry tools, a 3/4 inch socket with an extension, and of course the headlights. We got these from SLG Auto. Why don't we unbox? So why don't we go ahead and take a look at these beauties? How do I take this out? The link to these will be in the description below. The reason why I went with this unit is because they do not cause any coating issues, and you retain that quartering light. Now look at the difference. Look at how nice that looks. Alrighty, out comes the second set, and let's take a look. SLG stands for Seems Legit Garage. They are actually pretty affordable for, you know, whole entire replacement headlights. So why don't we go ahead and get started? Alright, let's get that hood open and take a look. Just want to comment, look at how clean that engine bay is. I mean, that is absolutely incredible. The very first thing you're going to do is you're going to remove all of those pop rivets and pop all of those out on both sides. Now I'm going to start over here with the passenger side, and then afterwards I'm going to show you all of the different lights, the daytime running lights, the low beam, high beam, cornering light, all of the above. And I'm also going to show you the dashboard just to prove to you that they don't throw a code, hopefully. Let's see. So with these pop rivets, all you're going to do is you're going to get your tool here. You're going to open out the top and just pop them out. Looks like that one was already loose. Let's see what else we got. So just pull up on the tab and pull the whole thing out. Just like that. Let's go ahead and do that for all of them. I think that is almost all of them for that piece. Why don't we go ahead and take it out? Now all you're going to do is we're also going to remove this piece here and a little bit of this trim so that this can all come right out. Just go ahead and lift. Don't be afraid to use a little bit of force. All right. So I'm going to try to do this job without removing this front plastic. I'm going to as you could see, I removed the other piece. This tool is in the trunk. Pretty random, but this is the hex shape. It's somewhere between a T50 and T55. Hopefully yours has it in the trunk. If not, you're gonna have to go to the parts store and look for something along these lines. Let's do it. So this is where you're gonna insert it, right over there. And you're gonna turn it half a turn until you notice the headlight moves. Once it moves, you're gonna stop turning and you're gonna pull it out. Just to show you again, it is that silver piece right over there. Let's do it. I'm gonna just turn it a little bit. I didn't notice the headlight move. There you go, headlight moved. Let's see if it pulls out. That it does, and I did not have to remove the front piece of trim. There should only be one wiring harness on the rear. You just want to clip it, push it down, and pull. That's what the back of the wiring harness looks like. Looks like the pieces from the original broke off. It should be fine. Let's go ahead and replace. Here's the before. So while this headlight is out, I just want to show you the mechanism here. It is just this locking latch, that's it. So you're going to basically just twist it down. Once it goes in, click it up and you're done. So I'm just going to plug that in. and it clicked into position. That feels secure. Now we're gonna just slide it into position and do the reverse, which in this direction, which means you're gonna twist it counterclockwise as you slide it in. So I got a little carried away. I did that one off camera. I'm sorry, I will show you. It is actually not bad. There's 2 tabs on the front. They have to slide back as you tilt that mechanism and it pops right into place. Why don't we do this one together? Sorry about that, guys. So not gonna do anything fancy, just gonna remove those tabs and remove that headlight. I mean, just look at that difference. I wouldn't turn it on until both of them are installed. So just like before, go ahead and put this in there. Give it a twist until it starts moving. See how it started moving? There we go, now it's out. It is really that easy to take it out. And now we're gonna remove that clip. These are the tabs that have to slide into their respective slots on the front. It is a little bit easier to remove the front radiator cover. So why don't we go ahead and do that step now. I'm gonna leave the cover on this one. Here we go.
So notice as I'm tightening the screw, I am using my left hand to push down towards the floor on the front of the headlight. Now that makes this job a lot easier because of those 2 pins that have to align on the front of the headlight.
As you saw, I just did a little push and twist. Before we put all of the factory plastic covers back, why don't we go ahead and test this out? Hey guys, let's take a step back. Alrighty guys, let us take a look. Here's the key. I'm gonna go ahead and unlock. I'm gonna go ahead and, I guess let's go turn the headlights on. Let's see what this looks like. Oh wow. That looks pretty nice. Look at how bright that is. That looks awesome. It's flickering on camera because it's LED. Let's see what the headlights look like. We might have to adjust. We might have to adjust the height of the headlights. We'll do that at nighttime. Well, there you have it, guys. All done. That was a really simple install. All you have to do is put all the rivets back on. I'm gonna go ahead and put the front radiator one on first and then one on each side, and there you go. Just reverse those original steps. No need to show that on camera.
So all that's left is go ahead and pull up the vehicle to a flat surface and align the headlights. Now there is a quick screw that you can do to adjust the height of the headlights. So go ahead and do that now.
Guys, just like that, we are all done. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it was helpful. Be sure to check out the link to the Seems Legit garage lights in the description. We do not have any error codes. I could attest to that. Let's do it. But don't take my word for it, guys. Oops, forgot to hit the brakes, but in any case, it would still show right over there, and it does not. So, there you have it.